Hey guys! Welcome back to 1 million worth of channel, the place where we are on the path to achieve the first 1 million net worth, enjoy the financial freedom, and early retirement. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, share it with your friends and family, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this. Want to lead a life of financial freedom? You need to understand what a cash flow quadrant is by Robert Kiyosaki. So, what is this cash flow quadrant all about? A cash flow quadrant is a table divided into 4 areas, with E and S quadrants on the left, and B and I quadrants on the right. Each of us falls in one of these 4 quadrants. The goal is to progress through the quadrants to be more on the right side of the quadrant. Let's understand what each of these quadrants stands for. E represents the employee quadrant. Have a job? You are making someone else rich. Wondering how? It's as simple as exchanging time for money. Well, is it just about time? No. As an employee, you are also trading your skills and energy for a paycheck. The sad part is that this is where most people earn their income, leading to a lack of control over their income in the long run, often running short of finances. Want to earn more as an employee? The only way you can is by working extra hours, or maybe joining a company that pays better. As the name itself suggests, salaried individuals are the ones falling under this category. The next quadrant is the S quadrant. So, what's an S quadrant? It represents the majority of the people who call themselves business owners. S stands for self-employed. So, who do you call self-employed? To take a few real-life examples, doctors and lawyers are self-employed business owners. In this quadrant, the business is entirely dependent on the owner's time. If the person who owns the business stops working, their income stops as well. Success for self-employed people usually comes with working harder and longer, which, in the long run, can lead to burnout or to fatigue. That's quite a task, isn't it? So, next time you think about owning your own business and being self-employed, make no mistake. The reality is that the business owns you, with the only positive being you have more personal and financial freedom than an employee. The next quadrant is the B quadrant. This quadrant represents the realm of entrepreneurs who design systems to earn profits passively. Who are these business owners? Being a business owner, you aren't selling your time for money. Rather, you are selling a product or service for which you don't have to be working for the business to generate income. One shouldn't be surprised to know that the wealthiest individuals in the world, like Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos, are business owners. Last but not least is the I quadrant. I stands for an investor. So, what do investors do? Simply saying, investors use money to create money. Who can ever forget the name of one of the greatest investors of this era, Warren Buffett? One who's among the richest people in the world now. They don't have to work, as their money is working for them. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate generates an annual cash flow that allows these investors to retire at their will. It can also be things like trademarks, copyrights, and royalties that you build once to produce a return for you. Well, once you have understood what the cash flow quadrant is all about, it's time to ask yourself a question. Which one are you in? It's quite likely that you are in the E quadrant, but don't lose heart. You can change that in no time just by taking action towards the quadrant you want to be in. It will take you time and energy, but we promise to you, it's gonna be worth it. That's all for today, guys. We'll be here for you every Sunday, so stay tuned to 1 million worth of channel. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.